Impact, dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 88 between exits 24 and 25. Interstate 90 between exits 25 and 27. Interstate 890 between exits 1 and 9. Interstate 87 between exits 4 and 7, and between exits 8 and 13N. Interstate 787 between exits 8 and 9. Locations impacted include Schenectady, Clifton Park, Rotterdam, Saratoga Springs, Amsterdam, Cohoes, Watervliet, Colony, Scotia, Mechanicville, Latham, Glenville, Niskayuna, Dwaynesburg, Boston Spa, Green Island, Waterford, Altamont, Hageman, and Round Lake. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.